Check this water out, guys. Bad thing though, I don't have any way to mount this GoPro, so I'm just holding it in my hand. But maybe I can get some footage. Looks good. There's a nice little smallie. It's actually the fourth one I caught, but couldn't get them on video. We'll let him go. Now, how does this even happen? I just cast it in and caught this on the hook, snagged it. That is just nuts. I don't think I've ever had that happen. Check out this little red-eye rock bass. Yeah, he's pretty cool fish. Let's let him go. Check out the colors on this little guy. He's actually starting to get dark. He's just little, but fun to catch. Let's let him go.